Hey everybody, I'm back at home for a couple of days off from the Griddle tour, but we're kicking it off again this weekend. Friday, Saturday, and Sunday will be in Searcy, Cabot, and Conway, Arkansas. Details in the description as usual, but I've really been wanting to show you the brand new Blackstone 3-piece and 2-piece adventure ready cooking sets. So here I am on the back porch, and I'm not griddling right now because I don't feel like it. We griddled here yesterday. I made stir fry, 10 minutes, like that, and we were celebrating our son Aaron's 11th birthday, which is coming up Thursday, but of course I'm going to miss that because I'll be on the Griddle tour. So Griddle tour, I'm going just about every week. I'm gone at least 4 days a week, almost every week through June. Griddle tour is going non-stop, having a blast. It's a dream, meeting my followers, my subscribers, meeting the Blackstone fans, meeting the people that are buying griddles, people that are considering buying griddles, asking questions, and I love it. I've been doing it for a long time, and it's where it's at, having a great time. But I'm not going to be here on the back porch doing cooking videos for you guys for probably some time. Then when the tour ends at the end of June, you'll probably see a lot more of this, and you'll see me traveling with the family. We plan on traveling here around the West and bringing you lots of material here on my channel and stuff for Blackstone social media as well. So what are the Blackstone Adventure Ready cooking sets for? I mean, I guess you could use them for any type of griddle cooking, any type of outdoor cooking, but I think they shine when you factor in the whole Adventure Ready line. So we brought you the brand new Adventure Ready backpack, the 17-inch Adventure Ready backpack. So whether you're talking the 17-inch, the 22-inch, the new 17-inch with side burner, if you're out on the road, if you're going to a public park, a city park, if you're griddling stream side, at your hunting camp, family vacation, at a roadside rest, that's what I like to think is the adventure ready type of griddling. So for me in the past, when I take my 17-inch or 22-inch griddles on the road, it's been cumbersome because I have to take the full-size spatulas with me, and these, if you put them underneath the hood, let's say on the 22-inch or the 17-inch, they take up the entire griddle space. So what excites me most about the brand new Adventure Ready cooking sets is the size. They are smaller and they are compact. That's right, they fold up just like that. In my opinion, the perfect alternative to bringing your full-size spatulas on adventures. Stainless steel like the rest of the Blackstone spatulas, the embossed Blackstone logo. Really nice anodized aluminum orange with Blackstone flame right where the spatulas fold, and really nice handles that even have the hanging hole. The 3-piece set has a matching set of spatulas. Again, stir fry, sauteing onions or whatever. I always like that matching set of spatulas. And then a larger one, I guess you could call this a modified hamburger spatula. Then we also have a 2-piece Adventure Ready cooking set. It features a spatula that has that larger hamburger spatula type of look, as well as a set of tongs. Same design and construction, and of course that ability to unlock and fold the tool. And the same thing goes for the tongs. So there you go, folks, the brand new 3-piece and the brand new 2-piece Blackstone Adventure Ready cooking sets. I just realized I had a button unbuttoned on my shirt, so hopefully that didn't come through on any of the clips. This back porch cooking thing is stressful. When I'm out on the road, I'm not concerned with buttoning up a shirt. So the Adventure Ready cooking sets, they're Walmart stores, and I think there's a chance some of them might be sold at blackstoneproducts.com. Don't hold me to that. So just head out to Walmart stores. I've been to a lot of Walmarts already this year. At some stores, I've seen the 3-piece set. At other stores, I've seen the 2-piece set. And at many stores, I've seen both of the cooking sets. Do you have to buy them? Is there any pressure to buy them? If you want to buy them, if you can use them, go ahead. No pressure as usual. I work for Blackstone. I'm living out my dream here working for Blackstone. Been griddling on my channel for years and years and years. So just excited to bring them to you. But I'm not going to like you or dislike you anymore if you don't buy these. What impresses me is the portability. These things can be folded up and literally they could go into one of your jacket pockets. You can put these in a Ziploc bag to protect them, and just makes cooking with the Adventure Ready griddles, traveling with the 17-inch, the 22-inch griddles, so much easier. And the fact that they thought about bringing a pair of folding tongs into the equation, to me, is just genius. So there we go, Blackstone Adventure Ready cooking sets. A shout out to Phil, who brought me this custom mug in Cleburne, Texas. Praise the Lord. Praise, O servants of the Lord. Praise the name of the Lord. Psalm 113:1. Need I say more? And they even put my name on the mug. Look at that. It has a rustic wood grain look to it. And of course, the Rocky Mountains, baby. So that's it for now, folks. We have Arkansas this weekend, and next weekend we're going to Alabama for the first time ever. I haven't been to Alabama since December, I think, since December of 1991 when I was in college. But we're bringing the Griddlemore Tour to Alabama, Boaz, Alabama, Gadsden, Alabama, and one other city, one other town that I can't remember right now. So thanks for watching, everybody. I appreciate you all. And until next, I've been hanging down south too much. And until next time, this is Todd saying praise the Lord.